Heartache across Maryland. Two off-duty public safety officers are struck and killed on the side of the road. This after one of them crashed their vehicle and the other stopped to help. WJZ is live at State Police Headquarters in Pikesville. Rick Ritter has more on a tragic turn of events. Rick?
Well, Denise, State Police are handling this investigation, and at this time, no charges have been filed. We're told Lieutenant Sander Cohen was on his way to plow snow that night, one of his part-time jobs, and when he stopped to help, something he loved to do, only to be struck and killed with the other driver. Tonight, the governor has ordered Maryland flags to be flown at half-staff as the state copes with an act of kindness that turned to tragedy.
Please pray for the law enforcement community in Maryland. Friday
night, State Police say Deputy Chief Sander Cohen, who worked with the state fire marshal, stopped his own car on Maryland 270 South to help a single crashed vehicle. As it turned out, FBI Special Agent Carlos Wolf was the one who crashed, also off duty.
It's instinctual. He stopped in his personal vehicle without the protection of gear.
Authorities say Cohen called in the accident and used his vehicle to block Wolf's. He then turned on his flashers, and the two stepped over to the shoulder of the fast lane to avoid getting hit. Minutes later, emergency calls poured in.
Responding units on the wreck on 270. We passed by the wreck. It is 3 cars.
An oncoming car hit the two, throwing them over the Jersey wall, where one was struck again.
For an update, we have 2 ejected. They're currently on northbound 270 to the left shoulder.
It was Cohen's brothers, who he worked with as a volunteer firefighter in Rockville, that raced to the scene, only to find out that it was one of their own.
Crushing, and those people that were on the call are struggling like all of us are.
Agent Wolf leaves behind a wife and 2 little children. His family saying he loves serving his country as part of the FBI.
The loss will be felt by the entire FBI family.
Investigators are still unsure why Wolf's vehicle struck the barrier, but say alcohol and drugs are not believed to be a factor in any of the 3 crashes. And the other drivers involved did stay on scene. Cohen's supervisor says that he did everything right. State police are hoping to have an update in this investigation by the end of this week. Denise.
All right, thank you, Rick. Once the investigation is complete, it goes to the Montgomery County State's Attorney's Office to determine whether charges will be filed.